Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, howdy partners, and Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty KW, coming to you today with another market report for August 13th, 2025, and it's looking good. Up arrows definitely beat down arrows. You know, we've got active available listings up 1% week over week, up 38% year over year. New listings came in up 13% week over week, up 14% year over year. Solds came in down 25% week over week, but up 14% year over year. Pendings came in up 9% week over week, up 14% year over year. Median sale price did come in down at $244,875, showing 6% depreciation. So we're seeing that depreciation again in the softening in the prices in the market. But we're still showing 4% appreciation over the last 12 months and still showing long-term appreciation. We've been appreciating in housing since about 2011. So we've been on a long bull run. So we knew it was going to stop, hold up, or pull up. Some people think it's going to crash. You know, we don't know. We report, you decide. Days on market also showed some softening. It softened up, slowed up about 6 days on the average to 26, but sped up a little on the median to 11 from 12. So we're at 26 average, 11 median over the last 7 days versus last year where it was 17 and 8. So we're slower than last year as well as far as in days on market is from accepted offer to close. So once it goes pending or under escrow to close, that's your days on market is from first listing to that. Last 12 months, we show 4,487 homes sold versus last year 4,333, showing about 3.5% up from the previous year. We saw also the lowest home sold price over the last 7 days was $61,000. Highest was $833. Over the last 12 months, we see lowest home sold was $30,000 and the highest was $2.8 million. Seeing to have a balanced 6-month inventory, we need about 2,243 homes. Got active available right now about 743. So showing about 3.02 buyers per listing. Still strong demand there. Homes are still getting more than they ever have. So feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.